ਲਾਤਵੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੱਭ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਜੌਬ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਜੌਬ ਲੱਭਣੀ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ।
ये SH.LV ऐप है, तो यहाँ पे जाना जॉब एंड बिजनेस वैकेंसी। इसमें सारे प्रोफेशन है, मतलब आपको किस चीज़ का आता है। जैसे मान लो आपको कुकिंग का आता है तो यहाँ पे होगा एक कुक का ऑप्शन है। तो सारे होटलों के ये नाम होते हैं, तो इसको आपने क्या करना, ट्रांसलेट कर लो। तो इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है क्या आपको चाहिए, कि कितना काम चाहिए। इसमें पे रेट भी लिखा होता है, सैलरी आपको इतनी मिलेगी इसके बाद। तो यहाँ पे गए नीचे, इसमें नंबर मिल जाएगा आपको, उनका नंबर, उनको फ़ोन कर लो या उनको ईमेल कर दो, यहाँ पे लिखिए। तो ये एक प्रोसेस है।
ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਲਾਤਵੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੌਬ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜੌਬ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਇਹ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਪੰਛੀ ਜੇ ਵੀ ਬੜੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਦੇਖੋ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਤੇ 15 ਨੰਬਰ ਬੱਸ ਸਾਡੀ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੱਸ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ, ਬੱਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਉਂਗਾ ਵੀ ਬੱਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਹੈਲੋ, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ISMA ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਊਮਰਸ ਜੋ ਫੈਲੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਕਿ ISMA ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਸੌਟ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨ ਆਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼। So thank you so much, sir, for inviting us, firstly giving us time.
The director of ISMA University. Rector of ISMA University, and
firstly, please
head of
introduce
the
yourself.
national department. Evgenia.
Yes.
okay. So first of all, thank you so much for inviting us. And can you tell me, some students want to apply in Latvia, like in ISMA University. What is the requirement, and what is the percentage requirement, and the age and tuition fees, in all things, please can you describe about it?
First of all, welcome to ISMA. We are glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you also for your time, for coming to get acquainted in person. That's really nice. So about the requirements. First of all, of course, the student must have the must have graduated from the high school, so he needs to have the transcript of records with it should be successful.
What is the percentage required? I mean to say that in last education,
Yes, for if he wants to apply for bachelor's.
in 50 to 56, or what percentage requirement?
Approximately 17.
I mean to say that in
Last education.
last education,
To the
like
percentage from 100%.
70.
Okay, it's
Yep.
70.
Yeah, 70.
Okay.
but I checked in the website, I think I applied some cases, there was 56% requirement.
So sometimes, so it depends on education. Yeah, so it's from 56 till 68. Yes, so it depends, and also it's changed every year. Also, we change this rules.
So for the bachelor cases, yes, if some student from India, so they completed senior secondary,
High school.
high school. So what they required for a bachelor, if some student had 56 or 50, then she can apply or not.
So usually anyway, he can apply.
Okay.
We discuss it and then we reply. Is it possible or not?
Okay,
Okay.
and what age is required
And-
for the bachelor's?
And one more thing, if some student have 58%, but his English communication is good, but due to any circumstances percent is low, then he or she can apply or not.
So it depends. We can. So we are flexible, yes, but it can't be. For example, if we have such a rule for this intake that it's 56, we can't manage if it's 50, for example. Yeah.
But
It's
it
good
will be
English.
managed according to course, according to situation. If
Yes, so it depends. Yeah,
So
each
this is
case
not-
are individual. Yeah, so mostly, of course, we have these rules, and most of students should be with 56 or 58. So it depends.
this is not fixed.
Yeah.
And
And what age criteria now for bachelor students? And means it's have to that student also can apply who have the age near about 30, or they have any age criteria?
So it's better to ask our admission department, yeah, because so it's really each intake is can be different, yeah.
And what is the tuition fees? Tuition fees
So
in ISMA.
tuition fees. So we have administration fees. So admission fees
Is 300
is
euro.
300 euro
Yes.
at this moment, yeah. And we have for bachelors it's 3,300 for one study year,
Yes.
and for masters it's 3,800
Okay.
for masters.
Okay.
So this price is at this moment, yeah.
So in ISMA University there is no any security charges, like is all university getting 500 security charges as extra
With the tuition fee?
tuition fees.
Just the tuition fees, no security.
No, no, no.
And the more thing is that all universities getting FTS, fund
Yes.
transfer scheme.
Yes.
So we discuss now this
I
question.
also put this matter in email also, that they are getting the FTS means that it is a security, that student will not run. Student will just come for the study. They are paying at least I think
Near about
8 lakh
According to
Indian rupees.
8 to 9,000 euro.
Yes.
Yes, so it's for 1 year this minimum.
So if with
With this
okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
actually this visa officer also gets secured that if the student is paying 8,000 to 9,000 euro to the university, that means he will definitely go for the study. So those students
And
who
visa
have
will be
that
100%
case-
granted.
Yes, granted in that case. So
We know that some universities in Latvia make this.
yes,
All
We'd like
universities
to
I think.
discuss it, yeah, with the.
yes.
We're in the process, yeah.
Yes.
Because
Entering
if some
the
student
system.
have not good English, like not good fund, then if he have FTS, then from I don't know, but according to me, he will get 100% visa.
Yeah, it's true. It's
Yes.
true. That's why we're now in the process of this.
Yes.
And many students are studying there from India. So what is the
What do you want to say about those students? That,
Well, actually, I supervise also the thesis, and I can say that especially master students are very, very good. They are.
okay.
I'm totally happy about them. So that's really nice, and also they are very successful, especially in IT. So yeah, I see. We also have a lecturer from India, and his lectures are very popular.
Head southeast.
Especially among Indian students. So I think both sides are happy about this.
Okay. And what do you want to say about the students? Like they have many comments on the website regarding the ISMA University. So
can we solve this problem?
University, they are making bad rumors or bad comments. Actually, we want to promote the ISMA University because we know that that the student got the visa and also they are doing study here. We are talking from many times with those students who are sent by us to the ISMA University, and they are saying that the atmosphere of the ISMA University is very good. Can you say anything regarding this, that the student who just not apply to the ISMA University just because of those comments which they read on the website or on the Google?
Well, concerning the comments, every time somebody will be unhappy about something.
Yes,
So, what I can say that these comments are also written by different people who maybe there was their fault why they're feeling that bad and they didn't get the service they wanted or something like that. Because I want to say that concerning probably these comments are concerning refunds. Yeah.
Yes.
So we have refunded around 2 million euros already. So that's not true that we are not refunding.
Yes, agree.
But each case is different. There's the thing.
Yes.
Because if a student applies to the university and he doesn't even know the name of the university, that's
Yes.
probably his fault that he's
Yes.
rejected visa.
Yes.
So yeah, if everything is okay with documents, if students' real purpose of
Yes.
visit is
Yes.
studies, then there is no problem to get visa, and there is no problem with refunds or anything like that. So
Ah.
I encourage people just to really come with the purpose of study.
Yes, yes.
So then we are happy, we are glad to accept students, and there are all opportunities here.
Actually, that we are explaining to the student. Like this is not exactly true. That ISMA University is not refunding.
Mhm.
That is based on your documents. If you document, you're putting your false documents during your visa application, then that means you are a false person. You are a false candidate.
True.
Yes. But we are always promoting the ISMA University that this is not the truth. Please don't read that. So those comments, it's really good for the study.
So from my opinion, we applied how many students?
I think this time we have again 4 to 5 students,
Mhm.
and last 2 students whose case has been deferred.
So we applied near about 8 to 10,
Yes.
for example. So in ISMA University. So all students get visa, and one student is also coming tomorrow, Bhavesh.
Mhm.
Today.
So and one is also studying there, Mahadev,
Mahadev.
and some students are also studying there. So ISMA University have get
100%.
100% visa, and all student should apply. The main thing is that the tuition fees is affordable. The main
Yes.
thing, tuition fees is affordable. Secondly, education system is very nice and good. And other thing is that there are 3 courses available. The main thing is computer system, computer science, and secondly business
Administration.
business administration,
And hospitality.
and tourism
Mhm.
and hospitality. Some students want to apply in these courses, but these courses are available in other university, but they have to pay tuition fees
Too much.
too much.
Yes.
But its tuition fees near about, according to India, near about 3 lakh. So that's why I suggest you, ISMA University is a best university.
And today we are in ISMA University. We are talking with the seniors of and director of ISMA University. So this is in front of you. You want to apply for ISMA University or not? Its fees, its atmosphere is all are good. Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Now we are here in ISMA University, and rector of ISMA University. I'm Rahul. And now we are talking about why you should apply in ISMA University, and what is the tuition fees, and how many courses. So please ma'am, can you tell me only just tuition fees and courses?
Okay, so we have bachelor and master
Yes.
degree. We have information system program,
Okay.
business administration program,
Okay.
and business administration and tourism.
Okay.
So the fees, admission fee 300
Okay.
euros, and bachelor degree it's 3,300 euros,
Okay.
and master degree it's 3,800.
Okay.
Yes, so and bachelor it's 4 or 4.5 years, and masters it's 2 or 2.5. Yeah.
So these courses are available in ISMA University, and tuition fees is near about 3 to 4 lakh according to India. So there is no any security charges. The main thing is that some student and agents say that ISMA University not refund tuition fees if visa is rejected. So we personally visit in ISMA University. You invited us, so thank you so much. So we want to discuss about this matter because student want to concern and they want to ask from us. So what is the situation in this situation?
Well, the situation is as follows. Over the years, we have refunded around 2 million euros already, the tuition fees. So everybody who's saying that we are not doing this, he is wrong. But we look at each case individually. The reason for visa rejection is important, because if a person is coming not with the purpose of studies, but just with the purpose of immigration, for example, there are situations when people apply, they go to the embassy for the interview and they cannot even name the university they are going to. So in this case, I think we will not refund, because that's the fault either of the agent who hasn't controlled the quality of the student, or the student himself, whatever. But university cannot be responsible for such
So
people.
if all documents are true, his interviews are also good, fund also good, then why if student also get some rejection from embassy, so in this situation tuition fee is refunded?
In this situation, yes, it is refundable. If everything is okay with the documents, if it's proven that
The main thing is that your documents are not true, like some documents submit false document. So in this situation, your tuition fees is not true because you do not have good motive to enter in Latvia, to motive to study in ISMA or whatever. So in this situation, and secondly, some students say that ISMA University have some bad review.
Well, I haven't heard about what does it mean, bad review.
So like that, say that ISMA not refund tuition fees, whatever, and some say that ISMA University not reply of email.
Well, maybe because of the business, somebody has missed some email. Someday, I don't know. I will always reply, and
So we
all
always
of my
reply to
departments.
3 days.
Right,
Yes, so
yeah.
usually it's 3 days. So
So
of course, sometimes it can be.
we dealing personally last 2 years, so they reply every time. So that's why we get visa. So there is no any problem. So also the students also studying there. So I say that so this is very best university in Latvia because some students have a low percentage in last education, and some student have tuition fees, affordable tuition fees in this university. So please apply in this university. So it is best university in Latvia, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Please
you.
apply.
Thank you.
ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਮੈਂ ਖੜਾ ਹਾਂ ਲਾਤਵੀਆ ਦੀ ਫੇਮਸ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੈ, ISMA ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ। ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੋਰਸਿਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬਟ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਨੇ, ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪੱਤਿਆਂ ਵੀ ਦੀ ਜਾ ਵੜਦਾ, ਪਰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਰੋਡ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਸਲਾਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੇੜੇ ਪਊਗਾ, ਪਰ ਨੇੜੇ ਦੇ ਚੱਕਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਪਿਓ। ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਮੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਥੇ ISMA ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਬੜਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਆ। ਸੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਸੁਪਰ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਹੈ ਜਮਾ ਇੱਥੇ ISMA ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ, ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ।
ਆਪਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ ਜੀ ਉਹ, ਚੰਗਾ।
Christmas tree in every university have Christmas tree, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ISMA ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ISMA
ਇੰਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੱਤੇ ਤਾਈਓ ਝੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਠੰਡ ਦਾ ਮੌਸਮ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਠੰਡ ਦੇ ਮੌਸਮ 'ਚ ਪੱਤੇ ਝੜ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਬਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਮਰ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੋਕ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ ISMA ਦਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਲੋਗੋ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਲਿਖਿਆ ਆਇਆ ਵੱਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ISMA।
ਬਾਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ISMA ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਪੱਤੇ ਝੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਠੰਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੈਸੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਤੇ ਠੰਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਆ, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਠੰਡ ਹੈ।